the next video. In this video, I will show you how to determine the area of an object in AUTCAD. Basically, this video has two parts. In first part, we will determine the area of a single object, and in the second part, we will determine the area of a multi-object. So before starting the video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more video updates. So before starting the video, first I will set my drawing utilities, drawing settings and units. So for this, I will first set my units. So for unit, I will enter UN command, then press enter, and here length type I will select architecture because I am working in feet and inches, and in precision I will select half inch, and units to scale inserted content I will select inches. So I simply click. Now the second one is to set this UCS at my origin. So for this I will go to view, then display the UCS icon, and then set it at origin. So the time I am scrolling, it will not display from its position. Now we will come to our lesson. First we will draw an object, and then we will determine the area of that object. So for this I am simply drawing a rectangle. So for rectangle I use rectangle command. REC is the shortcut of rectangle. If you don't know, you can watch my previous videos. Then press enter. So it will demand the message. Let's specify the first corner of rectangle. So I am selecting this on my first corner. Now I will drag it to the point of second corner. So let's suppose I want this my second corner. So I will simply click here. So it's the rectangle we have drawn. In first method, we will use simply area command for determining the area of this rectangle. For that area command, we will use the two other commands through which we can determine the area of this object. So layers command are region command and boundary command. First we will region this object, then we will boundary this object, and at last we will find the area on this object. So this is very important video because in this video you will learn first the region command, second one is the boundary command, third one is this area of a single object determining, and the fourth one is the determining the area of multiple objects with single command. So first I will region this object. For this I use region command. The shortcut for region command is REG. Then press enter. So it is demanding the message that select the objects you want to region. It's my object. So I will select this object to region it. I will simply select this object and then press enter. Now you see this object has been regioned. In second step I will boundary this object. For boundary command we use simply BO for boundary command. So you can note it in your notebook. Shortcut of boundary is BO. BO, then press enter. So the boundary creation dialog will be open. In this it is demanding the message that pick points. Pick points mean pick an internal points in the object you want to boundary it. So it's my object and it is the boundary of that object, this one, the length and width. So I will select an internal point in this boundary or in this object. So I will click here, pick points, and then pick internal points. So you can click anywhere inside this object for internal point. So for example I want to click here and then press enter. Now this object has been region and boundaries. So in third step we use the area command for determining the area of this object. For that, we use the shortcut of area command. The shortcut for area command is AA. Simply press AA from keyboard, then press enter, and then again press enter. So it will demand the message that select the object. So it's my object. To determine the area of this object, I simply select this object, and you see it shows the area and parameter of this object. The area of this object is 2771.0 square inch, because our unit is in architectural, or 19.243 square feet, and the parameter is 18 feet 4 inch. So in this way you can find the area of a single object. Now let's suppose I have more than one object. For example, here I have circle, here I have ellipse, and here I have square, or another irregular object, like I want to plot a polyline like this. Close. Okay, so the next step of this video is we have to determine the area of this and this object by a single command. So it's a very important and interesting command. For this we use the two steps again, like boundary and region, and the third step will be changed from the previous command. So first we will boundary all these objects region, and then we will apply that command on which we can determine the area of all these objects. So first I will region all these objects by RAG. So by single command I will select this object, and then press enter. So the command through which we can determine the area of all these objects is mass prop command. MASSPROP, mass prop command. So the shortcut for mass prop is MASS, mass, and then it will show the mass prop, then press enter. It will demand the message that select objects. It means more than one object. So I first select this object, then this one, and this one, and then press enter. So this notes dialog will be open, in which the area, coordinates, radii of gyration, moments of inertia, all the data related to these objects will be shown. So the area of all these objects is 16,866.4 square inch. The parameter of all these objects is 945.4 inch. So in this way you can determine the area of different objects at a single click. So I hope you have learned something from this video. Please subscribe our channel, press the bell icon for more video updates. Thank you.